Hi guys, my name is Julie and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I wanted to talk to you today about another eye restore product, and this one's an eye mask. Now when you charge it and you plug it in, you'll notice that there is a red light. It's a little hard to tell on camera, but the light is right around here, and it's pretty bright, and it's like a little circle right there in the middle. Now that will go out when it's fully charged. And it does take a little longer than you think to charge these, but it's fine. I just want to tell you, so to put it on, it's pretty easy. It does not indent your face like the other one does. The face mask actually does have, it dents it in like right here on the forehead mainly. But this one is not so bad. So when you turn it on, it's all red light therapy. There's no blue, purple, it's just all red. And it does have 3 different settings, and it hits different parts of your face and eye. It does go up to your forehead and underneath your eyes. So this one is specifically for the eye, but it does get to a deeper level than most of the lights get to. And I can tell you, it's fairly easy. This is only 5-minute treatments. It's not too long. It doesn't bother your face. It's pretty comfortable. And honestly, the eyes have the thinnest skin, and that's where you see the most aging. You know, if you do things to different parts to try to fix your skin, you know, the eyes are always going to be the worst. And like I said, with Dysport and Botox, you know, I can do Dysport and Botox every 3 months, and after like a month or two, the eyes are noticeably worse, even though the rest of my face is okay. Now, I am about a week out from being in 3 months, and I'll tell you, after using this product for 3 months, it really has made a noticeable difference, because usually right at that week to 2 weeks before I'm due again, my face, all the wrinkles will come back. And you can't really do it more often, because then it's harder for it to keep. The quicker you go to using another session of Botox or Dysport, it makes it worse for your skin, because then you need it faster and faster. You got to stick to the 3 or 4 months depending on your age. I would say that I really like this because I've noticed that it definitely keeps that fresher look for a little bit longer. I really like this product. I really like all the eye restore products actually, so I would definitely highly recommend them. Thanks so much for listening. You have a